Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see string matching algorithm. So it is also called as string searching algorithm. String matching algorithm is a method to find out a small string called as pattern into a big string called as text. First question in our mind is what is string? So string consists of what? Alphabets or numbers. The next is what is pattern? Pattern is nothing but a small string whose length is of m size and represented by capital P. Then next is what is text? Text is nothing but a length of n size and represented by T. So here the pattern is always smaller than its text. So the length of pattern that will be less than length of text. So next is what we have to search the pattern into the text. Example, here this is the pattern which consists of alphabets and we have to search that pattern whether it occurs in the text or not. Right. So for finding out that there are 4 algorithms which we can use to find out the pattern into the text. So first one is Naive string matching algorithm, second is Rabin-Karp algorithm, third is finite automata matching algorithm, fourth is Knuth-Morris-Pratt algorithm. Now we are going to start with our first algorithm, that is Naive string matching algorithm. It is the most simplest algorithm to find out the pattern P of length m into the text T of length n using shift operation. So here we are having algorithm for finding out the pattern into the text. So this is Naive string matching algorithm which consists of 2 inputs, that is T means text and P means pattern. So here first step is what we have to find out the length of text. So that is represented by n. Then next we have to find out the length of pattern, that is represented by m. Actually we are storing the text and pattern into an array, right? So next is what we have to perform shift operation for finding out that m pattern into the text T, right? So how many shift operations we can perform? So that is 0 to n minus m. 0 to n minus m operations, n minus m operations we can perform for finding out the pattern into the text, right? So we'll take the example. Here we are having a pattern and we have to search that pattern into the text. So first is what we have to find out the length of text and pattern. So here what we had done, we had stored that string into the array, right? So here from this we can find out the values of n and m. N is nothing but the number of elements or your alphabets into the string of text. So here total 6 alphabets are there. So the size of text that is represented by n is 6 and the pattern whose length is 3, right? So now how many shifts we can perform to find out the pattern into the into the text? Then that is 0 to 3 shifts we can perform. So we'll perform for s equal to 0. So here what we had written here, this is the text and in this text we have to search this pattern. So first alphabet is same, second is not same, so no match. So what we have to do, we have to perform shift operation by 1. So next step is what? The value of shift s is 1. Again we have to search that pattern into the text and here you can see that whole pattern we had shifted by 1 position. So here first alphabet is not matching, so no match found. Then we'll perform shift operation and that shift will be again shifted by 1. That is the value of shift will be 2. Now again you can see that this pattern is shifted by 2 positions, right? Again we are searching this pattern whether it occurs in the text or not. So here the pattern is same, all the 3 alphabets are same in a sequence, right? So here match is found at shift 2, right? So now next is what? The value of s equal to 3. Again we have to perform shift operation. Why? Since our shift is what? 0 to 3, so we have to perform for s equal to 3 also. So here what we had done, we had shifted this pattern 3 times by 3, right? 3 shifts we had performed. So here First is matching, second is not matching, so no match found, right? And here we have to stop. So that means we had performed 0 to 3 shifts, and we had found that string that means pattern at only once in the text. Thank you.